120. Okay. Not sure if that's a good sign or a bad sign. Guess I'll find out. You went too far, dude. Temps dropped into the high 90s, dropped just a little bit. Oh, there they go. Now they're starting to drop. Felt all right. See how it did.
1091.
All right, thank you. 1091, 127. Get around these guys.
483 and 111 over here in the southern lane.
1091 to 127. Oh, 60 foot time sucked. 175. Of course, there was what looked like water or something right there at the staging light. So it's all right. I'll take that time. Take air temps climbing back up now. 108. It's running good. Track's not the greatest. I think they're getting ready to repave this track.